Right now, as you're watching this, the universe is slowly dying, not in a dramatic explosion or a sudden collapse, but in something far more unsettling. It's simply fading. Star by star, galaxy by galaxy, the light of the universe is slowly disappearing. And the most terrifying part? This process has already begun. To understand where the universe is going, we first need to understand where we are. We exist in a very special moment in time, a moment scientists call the age of stars. Right now, the universe is alive. Galaxies shine with billions of stars. Light travels across unimaginable distances, and new stars are still being born. But this moment is only temporary. Billions of years ago, the universe was even brighter than it is today. Star formation was at its peak. Galaxies were filled with dense clouds of gas, constantly collapsing and constantly igniting, creating new stars over and over again. It was a time of abundance, a time of endless light. But slowly, that process began to change. Today, the universe is no longer at its peak. Star formation has slowed down significantly. There is less gas, less fuel, and of course, less creation. And every second that passes, stars continue to burn through what remains because stars do not last forever. Every star you see is powered by nuclear fusion. At its core, hydrogen atoms are being fused into helium, releasing enormous amounts of energy. This is what makes stars shine, but this process comes at a cost. Fuel is being consumed, slowly but inevitably, and when that fuel runs out, the star dies. Some stars end in massive explosions, known as supernovas. These explosions are so powerful they can outshine even entire galaxies. Others, however, collapse into incredibly dense objects, like neutron stars, and some even become black holes. Regions of space where gravity is so strong, not even light can escape it. As more stars die and fewer stars are born, the universe begins to change. Galaxies that once glowed brightly will slowly dim. The night sky will begin to lose its brilliance. Over trillions of years, the universe will become a much, much darker place. As stars disappear, black holes will begin to dominate. They will drift through space, absorbing anything that comes too close, like gas, dust, and dead stars, even entire star systems. In this distant future, black holes may become the last major structures left in the universe. As powerful as black holes are, even they are not eternal. According to physics, they slowly lose energy over time, a process known as Hawking radiation. It's incredibly slow, so slow in fact that a single black hole could exist for longer than we could truly comprehend. But eventually, even they disappear. And then the universe enters its final stage, a state known as the heat death of the universe. At this point, there are no stars, no galaxies, no black holes, no light, no structure, and no activity. Space becomes cold, incredibly cold, just above absolute zero. Particles drift endlessly through an empty, expanding void. Nothing interacts, nothing changes. Time just continues, but nothing happens. This is not an ending you can watch. There is no final explosion, no dramatic collapse, just a slow, silent fade into nothingness. The universe doesn't die loudly, it dies quietly. But here is something important. This future is unimaginably far away. Trillions, even quadrillions of years from now. Humanity will never see it. But that does not mean it's any less real. In fact, it makes our moment in time even more special. Right now, we live in the only era where the universe is alive, where stars still shine, where galaxies still glow. where the night sky is filled with light. We're witnessing the cosmos at its peak. And one day, there may be no stars left in the sky, no galaxies to observe, and no light to guide future civilizations. And if that day ever comes, we might be among the only beings in existence who ever had the chance to witness the universe in its full majesty. This was Beyond the Known Cosmos, where we explore the mysteries of the universe before they fade into the unknown.